every goal we reach, there's always another goal ahead. And that's kind of our mindset because we won't stop chasing our dreams and we won't stop being around. So we just want to let all of you know that we're not going anywhere. We're always going to be here trying to reach our goals.
Ayan, di ba may message na sila agad para sa inyo? But aside from your group or your individual goals, what changed in your relationship with the other members as you went on trainings and after you guys knew them? Because we all know, hindi naman talaga kayo magkakakilala before, right? When you enter the survival zone and then now you guys are in a group. So, what changed?
For sure yung yung ability namin to cope together as a group pagdating sa mga struggles and hurdles. Kasi as a group, maraming obstacles talaga in the way. Hindi siya smooth ride. Kasi 7 kami, so of course, all of us have individual, kumbaga, motivation to do things or like a different perspective. So it's nice that a lot of us have parang different perspectives and things na para mas makapag-work kami and synergize much better. Kasi I think it's very important for to have chemistry even not on stage but also like behind the scenes of like our relationship. And I guess ngayon mas close na talaga kami kasi we experience living outside of Korea, away from our families and friends, away from our known real world which is here in the Philippines. So it's kind of like navigating through something in an unknown world together. So in that sense, doon kami nag-grow talaga.
Yeah, and like talking about chemistry, I think it's a big contribution to really up our chemistry was our trainings and just facing challenges together. Kasi we came from the survival show and it was still a competition individually. So everyone was kind of training on their own. Pero at some point, diba, we got formed and ever since we went through everything together. We cannot do things individually anymore because that wouldn't be a group. And now that we're a group, we face every challenges together, and that includes the hardships of learning Korean or adjusting to the culture there. Having hard times doing the trainings, na kapagod, ganyan, stress. The fact that we're doing that together really built our chemistry, and that's the reason why Horizon is Horizon until today.
Yeah, so ang ganda naman nun kasi they found a family. From strangers to family. Hindi lang friends, right? More of a family. So palakpakan natin guys ang Horizon. Now we're going to the second part of this Idol Talk, which is the fan interaction.
Whoa.
So your anchors a while ago, so simula kaninang morning, they were writing questions for you guys. Pwedeng questions, pwedeng message. And now we'll be giving this time for you, Marcos and Vinci, to pick. Siguro kahit two each kayo. Pick which one you would like to read or you would like to keep. Ayan. So pwede kayo lumapit. Yan, basahin nyo ng maigi. Okay guys, nasalan nyo na napili nila yung mga messages nyo.
Sabi mo bang stop?
Stop!
Okay. So pwede mo siyang basahin.
This is from Yenne. Vinci and Marcus always keep fighting. Anchors love you.
Ayan. Asan si Yene? Sino yung nagsulat? Andun siya. Ayun. Kumakaway siya.
Thank you, Vinci.
Okay, she tells stop.
Stop.
What hobbies do you enjoy during your free time? From Ever. I know this person. She's always watching my lives.
Oh wow, you remember the things in the lives.
Okay. Hobbies do you enjoy during free time? I like to play the piano recently. I've been trying to just play around and syempre, video games. I love video games. I'm a gamer.
When it comes to K-pop, I like watching new releases, so I'm just updated on what's popping.
True. You're always hitting me up with the new releases.